Let's learn how to use a synchro breathe correctly. Hold the synchro breathe upright and give it a good shake. Open the mouthpiece and you'll hear a click. Sit up straight and breathe out completely. Now hold the mouthpiece in between your teeth and take a deep breath in. Hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you can, and once that is done, exhale out completely. Now, to close the inhaler, take the mouthpiece and push it back again. To take your second dose, open it and repeat the same steps again.